Hello, Defense Attorney Mark Rosenfeld here. I want to talk about a common case that I get in my office, and that is domestic violence. It's kind of a special category of like an assault or a battery, but it involves a close relationship, maybe a spouse, maybe a fiance, or a domestic partner. And in a domestic violence situation, it's often very charged and it's very hard for police officers to get accurate information, but there are mandatory arrest laws in place. So if somebody calls 911 and the police respond and they see any sort of altercation, it's a good bet that somebody is going to be going to jail. It may be a legitimate charge or it may be completely fabricated. One of the defenses that we may raise is that it never happened, that the person is innocent and the charges are completely fabricated. Another defense may be that the person was acting in self-defense and they were doing that to protect themselves, that they were in fear of a harmful or imminent threat to themselves. Another issue may be that the injuries may not have been willful. It may have been an accident that caused somebody to get hurt and there was no intent for there to be any harm. The possible penalties on domestic violence can be anything from very minor as far as misdemeanor in classes to very significant felony, possible prison time. Regardless, any domestic violence charge is going to carry with it collateral consequences that can affect people's employment and other rights, such as a firearms, right to possess firearms. So it's very important that these cases are taken very seriously and counsel is brought on board early. You want to get an attorney involved in the very beginning. They can help not only with getting someone released from custody, but making sure that the case gets filed correctly, if it gets filed at all, and it's defended appropriately to make sure that there are no wrongful convictions or convictions for something greater than they should be, and hopefully there will be some ways to get cases, if not reduced, but dismissed completely. There's a lot of variability in domestic violence cases. There's a lot of issues that can come up that are legal, that are factual, and it's important that all of these avenues be investigated. If you've got questions about a domestic violence arrest, I practice in Southern California. My office is in Beverly Hills, and you can reach me directly at 310-424-3145. Take care, be safe.